Okay. Nobody likes a light in their face, including bees, because they want their hive to be dark. Alright, here we go. They're gonna be mad. You guys get ready. They're not coming out. They're gonna be mad. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa, look at that. Look at those babies developing in there. Let's do a little mic check on everybody while we're looking. Let's zoom out. Can look later, see if we see the queen. She should be marked. Well, she is marked. Let's get in close here. See what's happening. They're already sending the guards. Send in the guards. Where are the guards? We need this light blocked. Look at those babies. Look at that. Oh my goodness. There you go. There you go. She's gonna come out. Let's see if we can. Oh, is that a bomb in there? Or a head coming out of there? That's a bomb in there. Oh, it might be a head coming out of there. Let's see. Nope, that's a bomb in there. Look at those beauties. Wow. Wow. That is cool. Yes, I know. Hopefully you are not causing damage to the babies by shining light on them. Yes, we won't be here long. Wow. You girls were hard at work. Okay, don't call the police.